Davion Wheeler. Mr. Wheeler, you're charged with possession of marijuana. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because it's in a drug-free zone. You're facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews in the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer, will be appointed to represent you. Does he reek of weed right now?
Yes, he does.
You reek so bad, I think I'm going to get high just from you standing in front of me. Okay, please.
Yes, Your Honor, on
My God.
24 officer at Teeny's Food Mart in Harris County, Texas, saw a defendant making hand-to-hand transactions with an unidentified male. Also believed the hand-to-hand transaction to coincide with the possession and distribution of narcotics and/or marijuana. The defendant observed officer and placed a clear plastic bag that contained a green leafy substance inside the front of his boxers.
All right, guys. Today we've got a sovereign citizen going up against Judge Boyd, and this one's a little different. Judge Boyd is taking a completely different approach than most judges we usually see. She's actually trying to defeat this sovereign citizen with kindness, and honestly, I'm kind of here for it. She's pretty much playing 4D chess while this guy's stuck playing checkers. Let me know what you guys think about Judge Boyd's strategy while you're watching. Let's go ahead and dive in and watch Judge Boyd dismantle this idiot sovereign citizen live in court.
Judge, because so before he approached this court on the marijuana case, he has since picked up the trespass case. But he was on bond for the marijuana case before he approached here and picked up the trespass.
So, I'm sorry, so he's charged with the criminal trespass here, not the weed. Both, right, but the reason he's in front of me now is for a criminal trespass, because that's the new case, though.
He's never approached. He's never been here on the possession of marijuana case. That happened April 24th. And on April 29th, he picked up the criminal trespass. He never approached this court on either case.
I have here that he signed conditions of bond on 4/24 not to pick up any new cases, and now 5 days later, he's picked up a criminal trespass. I mean, am I wrong?
Oh, you're right. Yes, April 20th.
No.
April 25th. It has judge's signature. Yeah. It says, the defendant shall commit no crime and shall not engage in conduct that can result in his or her arrest.
It's not looking good for you, Mr. Wheeler. It's ultimatum, right?
Yes, sir.
Welcome back. Mr. Wheeler, I'm revoking your bond and I'm keeping you with me. He goes with you. Can you please appoint Mr. Wheeler a lawyer?
I do not understand. Oh, you don't understand. Okay, let's order a competency evaluation then. Seriously, at this point, I just feel like we need to update the law just for these sovereign citizens. I mean, could you guys even imagine if we had a law that actually prevented these guys from wasting everybody's time? Something like a mandatory reality check exam before they could even argue their own case? Maybe all pro-SE defendants should take this exam, and if they pass, they can represent themselves. If not, then they definitely need a lawyer. These people are literally out here thinking they can just say, "I'm not subject to your laws," as if it's going to stop a judge from handing down a ruling. I've never seen that work. These people really need to realize that the Constitution's already got it covered, and no amount of paperwork they bring is going to change the fact that laws apply to them too. These people really need to lay off the crayons.
But he went to probable cause court. They denied a PR bond. He does have family here, and he is employed. And we're asking the court either for a bond reduction or for a PR bond. He's been on deferred since January of last year.
Torres, Manuel.
And the assistant district attorney's already notified them that he has this case. We're not sure whether or not they're gonna file a motion to adjudicate or not, or take any action.
Hey, he's in the holdover from the, it goes off.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Yes, sir, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. East,
Yes, sir.
how's jail?
To be honest with you, it's not nice.
Great.
It's not nice at all. And
It makes me very, very happy because I hope it's one of the most miserable, rotten experiences that you ever had.
it is, sir. And I wish to never see it again.
The problem is you keep doing things to land you in there.
Yes, sir. And I will try my best to do more to not end up back in here, sir. I promise.
The road to hell is paved with good intentions, Mr. East.
I know, sir.
You're on a very serious probation for assault of a pregnant person. And now picked up terroristic threat. You're now facing another year in jail. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to have an attorney present. You cannot inform one will be appointed to you. I don't even know what happened to your case. All I know is that you're on a serious probation
Yes, sir.
and now you've picked up another case. So let's see what happens
Yes, sir.
and whether you deserve to be let out.
Yes, sir.
Please.
On April 29, 2024, in Harris County, Texas, the defendant threatened to kill the complainant and the child that they shared together. Complainant felt in fear and pepper sprayed the defendant while on the phone with the 911. Defendant admitted to the threat, stating it was out of anger.
What do you think? What other does he have any other prior criminal history from anywhere else? Juvenile?
So, Judge, his priors are all in county. He has assaulted a pregnant person that he's on probation for against his sister, and an AFM, which was, it looks like it
So he
was,
has another assault.
he has an AFM from
22.
I think it was the
It was
same.
refiled. So it was an AFM that was refiled to assault a pregnant person.
That was the sister. The complaint was his sister.
Correct.
Not the
Complainant on that
same.
case was his sister, and the complainant in this case is the child of, or the mother of
His child. He's not compensated, baby mama.
Yeah, try not to. Did you make it?
Mr. East, what do you do with your life now?
Right now, I'm working at a thrift store. I'm not getting paid that much, but I'm getting paid just enough to take care of the child. And right now,
How are you going to take care of a child?
Man, this guy is just digging himself a bigger hole with every single word. Like, he literally can't even keep track of his own lies. The judge is already putting on a whole performance here. And let's also not forget, lying in court is perjury, which is a very serious crime. So, I don't know how the judge is going to go about that, but she laid it out clear, and he's lying right to her face. It's definitely not looking too good for this guy.
Here, why did he get so angry?
4 o'clock in the morning,
4 o'clock in the morning.
I got a phone call from a girlfriend of mine because she was having some problems of her own, but I was sleeping and I didn't hear her phone call or her texts. So while I was holding the baby, I asked her,
4 in the morning.
4 in the morning,
yes, sir.
I believe he responded to some text from another female judge, and that's what caused the altercation between him and his mother of his child, which is understandable. We've talked about this. But he did not assault her, and as a matter of fact, he was pepper sprayed himself during the course of the altercation after he made the threat. He admitted to the officers that he made the threat out of anger and had no intention of following through on it. Um, He is gainfully employed. He just started his job last week. Hopefully he still has it. He hasn't been bond forfeiture for. He's not failed to appear in court. He's not a flight risk.
I will make you a deal, Mr. East.
Yes, sir.
The only way, because I think that everybody should be given a chance.
Yes, sir.
You weren't given a chance here. You're on probation, which is a serious.
Serious charge.
What I want to see though is you proactively addressing your anger.
Yes, sir.
The only way I will let you out is if you take it upon yourself 3 times a week
Yes,
to
sir.
do anger management classes somehow, some way.
Yes,
And I
sir.
want proof on a written piece of paper that you're actually doing some kind of anger management
Yes, sir.
3 times a week.
Can we make it 4 times a week? I'm sorry to interrupt you, Judge.
3 is sufficient.
You need to do something that's realistic.
Yes, sir.
Don't overkill because you're setting yourself up to fail.
Yes, sir.
All I want is you to address it. And the way that I can do that is by dangling a jailhouse key in front of you. So you hold the keys to the jail. I want you to do 3 anger management classes a week.
Yes, sir.
And I want you to bring it proof to me every Monday that you've done 3 classes a week.
Yes, sir.
And the first time you falter, I will yank the bond and I'm going to put you in jail. You now know that you have no one to bond you out. So if you go to jail, you will be stuck like Chuck.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Give you this one and only chance.
Yes, sir.
Make me proud. Don't fail me.
Yes, sir.
So we need to find some kind of anger management class. I'm sure that there are free ones. It is up to you to find it. It's not up to Carl. It's not up to your girlfriend. Not up.
Usually, I hate soft judges because I think they're totally ineffective. A lot of judges handling sovereign citizens just don't do it right. But honestly, I don't think Judge Boyd is soft at all. She's just got this calm, collected approach that works perfectly for dealing with this idiot. And I think it's hilarious watching this dude walk right into every single trap she sets without even realizing it. Let me know what you guys think. How do you think she's handling it so far? Let's dive back in.
Or have any.
Stop. You know what's expected of you.
Yes, sir.
That's the only thing that matters.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you, Your Honor.
Thanks, Carl.
On the bond, is it a PR or a reinstatement or?
Not the PR because he never got a bond
I
whatsoever.
wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
Make sure, Judge. Come on.
Thank you, Judge.
Carl, thanks.
Last name already died.
Where have you been? Do I know you?
I mean, I hang out here and there, Judge. Yeah, for now.